I've been using the SomeBy Mi Spirulina PDRN serum for a few weeks now, and honestly, I'm really impressed. I originally picked it up because my skin was feeling irritated and red from the summer heat, and I wanted something that could calm things down without being too heavy or greasy. This serum definitely delivered. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly, leaving my skin feeling instantly refreshed and hydrated. What I love most is that it doesn't just sit on the surface. It actually feels like it's doing something. My redness has noticeably reduced, and my skin feels firmer and more bouncy, especially around the cheeks and jawline. It's packed with great ingredients like spirulina-derived PDRN, marine amino acids, peptides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. You can tell it's really targeting both hydration and skin repair. I also noticed my pores look a bit tighter, and my skin overall just feels soothed and more balanced. Bonus points for being vegan and part of a marine-based skincare line that's all about calming and restoring the skin barrier. If you're dealing with irritation, dullness, or just want a boost of hydration and elasticity, I definitely recommend giving this serum a try.